Hello bakers, this week I'm making an olive oil cake that I saw in The Guardian and it looked really simple and delicious, so I thought let's give it a go. First up, it's olive oil. Obviously I used extra virgin because that's all I had and it's got that kind of nice grassy note. And then some caster sugar and an egg and some lemon zest. It looked like a really easy recipe too. Well, it is, so that's part of the appeal. Sometimes you just want like a really, really easy recipe. And then that gets whisked together. You could absolutely do it by hand, but I just popped it in the mixer. And then some milk. Just kind of give it a stir together, give it a bit of a combine. I made half the amount like I usually do. And then it's some plain flour and some baking powder and a pinch of salt, and then just mix until smooth. I mean, seriously, how easy is that? In her recipe, she does make up a kind of fruit jam, but I'd already made some jam earlier in the week, so I didn't do that, just to serve alongside. But yeah, then it's all mixed together, and then into the tin. So I'm using a 15cm tin, and then you sprinkle on some caster sugar on top, which kind of gives it this nice kind of fluted crunch. I did have a little try of the batter when I was clearing out the bowl. It was good, kind of like savoury, almost grassy. She says to bake for 30 to 35 minutes. I did about 28 because it was a smaller tin, but you can see I my little skewer holes, so it's all kind of golden brown and baked through. Okay, so it's completely cooled down. You can see the kind of cake skewer holes. And she says to serve it with like, she makes like a homemade jam thing. And I do have that, not her recipe, something similar in the fridge. So I'll just try it by itself. It's a nice, really nice bake, kind of nicely risen. It's good. Maybe I might have baked it a tiny bit long. It's a tiny bit dry, but you do get that olive oil flavour, kind of slightly grassy, and you get the hint of lemon, and it's nice having that kind of sugar crunch on top. I think it will be helped with the jam and a bit of yogurt as well, but it's nice. Yeah, it's good. I tried it with some jam and some yogurt and it was good. I think actually the jam made it too sweet. Almost had like a donut flavour with the sugar, like slight crunch and that kind of hint of oil and jam. So yeah, kind of like a bit of a donut, but yeah, I enjoyed it. It was a little dry, so that might have been my baking, but let me know what you think and I'll see you next time.